She's watching us, man. Let's just go somewhere else. Let's go to another liquor
The fucking
store
bloody
right
cunt won't sell us alcohol. Hey! Oh, I'll pass,
Hey,
thanks.
let's just go to another store. Another liquor store.
Let's go to another liquor
Let's
store.
go to another liquor store.
Where at?
And we'll just send her in and she can buy it.
Where at?
Where's it at?
Where's it at?
Fuck, I don't know.
Safeway up on.
What are you doing with my shades?
Because you can't wear them.
They got liquor and we don't. They got liquor.
They've got
Take it out, buddy.
Hey!
They caught yeah.
I'm older than you.
Go! Sorry.
Oh, we're flipping one. Squeal him. Here's Amos.
Famous Amos.
Oh, watch out. Oh, we're gonna crash. Good thing we made that one. That's from the Road 100, man. Hey, some faggot in a Nissan passed us. Hot man!
Hot man!
Where? Not here. Ah! JJ. Oh, Rick falls out of the truck. This ain't no fucking Chevy, is it?
Yeah, but I hop in the.
There's Kavanaugh's.
Bang bang boogie to up jump the boogie.
Hey, is the heritage...
Shubop duwabadawap.
Troy, is the heritage open again?
Negative.
What's
Negative.
the deal there?
It's fucking it burnt to a crisp.
Oh,
and
no,
they didn't
no.
open it. They didn't boy club. Fucking
Boy
wear
club?
your boots and shit.
That's for homo.
It's about 6 o'clock live. She's waiting.
Oh,
We got the instant video cam. We're honking at people. She's beautiful. She loves.
fuck you!
See ya, we left you, winch.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Hasta la vista, baby. Oh, fuck. Who's driving my truck, man? Famous Amos is a crazy man. Famous, famous, famous.
So good!
Hot babe! Oh, he's throwing garbage out the truck.
See ya, honey!
We're upside down! Oh my god!
We're on top. She's on the bottom.
Humana.
Throw the meat! Fucking Amos, man!
She's fucking crazy.
What?
Yonder.
Tell her where to turn. Ow, he cracks me in the snarl.
It's a 73 White Olds Colors.
Take a right. Take a right.
Anywhere,
Right. Right there.
Right there.
The dirty one. That's it.
There it is. He's on his way.
We're at United Blind Bingo. We're there for the fucking Bo Cephas.
The party festival.
Festivities.
And what do we have here? We have famous Avis, alias Mario Andretti.
Mario. This is Mario Andretti.
I'm like bouncing around back there. I can hold it on.
Steve Lamont.
Oh, what do we have here? Nice booty.
Woody, there we go.
Ooh, look at this. What do we have here?
It's a real mess.
Oh, I was just checking
This
you out
prelude
anyway.
is a fucking mess.